Hello everyone, Sara here from Learn Urdu with Sara. These are the major and the most essential postpositions in Urdu. To watch a detailed video, you can go in the description box. May, which means in. Se, which means from, by, then, since, for, with. Par, which is on. Par. Ko, which means to. Ke paas, that means nearby. Ke paas, it also means have and has. Ke qareeb, that also means nearby. Se dur, far from. Se dur. Ke baare mein, about. Ke baare mein. Ke saath, which means with. Ke saath. Se pehle, that is before. Ke baad, afterwards. Ke upar means on top of. Ke upar. Ke andar means inside. Ke liye, for. Ke samne, in front of. Ke samne. Ke niche, below. Ke niche. Ke piche means behind. Ke piche. Ki wajah se, that means because of. Ki wajah se. Ki taraf, which means towards. Ki tarha, that means like. Ke mutabiq, according to. That is it. To learn Urdu, you can subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.